warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, west central Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Pickens to 5 miles east of Clemson to 7 miles southwest of Anderson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Paris Mountain State Park, Pumpkin Town, Tigerville, Easley, Fort Shoals, Williamston, West Pelzer, Liberty, GSP Airport, and Pickens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, Lawrence, Pickens, and Spartanburg.